guys, welcome back. I am going to do an unboxing today. I got a mystery box, not in a box, but it's some mystery items from, let's see, The Average Budget on Etsy. It's 35 clearance items for $40, so I'm really excited to get this open. Let's see. So this is what you see on Etsy when you get it. The Average Budget. And this is also her information. It shipped really quickly. I had no issues. So the first thing I see here is a 1K savings box with some envelopes, which is awesome. Super cute. Higher numbers for sure, so it might take me a little bit to do, but definitely a super cute box. Next thing I'm seeing, a money bag. Super pretty color. It's a different type of money bag that I've seen. Color slip. Got a savings, a challenge. Looks like just a card. Got some envelopes. Some zip top envelopes. That one's for food. A blank one. One for the bank. I actually needed a back to the bank one. So that's awesome. Another cash withdrawal slip. Looks like we got a couple of the cash withdrawal slips. Yes. Got a couple budget sheets, which I always need. Different kinds, it looks like, which is nice to kind of try different kinds. Another savings challenge, which is great. 52-week savings challenge. This one looks like a little bit smaller number, so I might be able to do this one a little bit easier there. Envelope to put the money in. Ooh, a dashboard. Ooh, and then a brand new binder. It's beautiful on the inside, and it is a magnetic sunflower. So that is what I got inside. So once again, it was a 35 item box for $40 from The Average Budget. And I think it's a pretty good bargain. All right. Please like and subscribe. And I will be back soon for a cash stuffing. Thank you. Bye-bye.